What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples for dividing square roots. First example is root 54 divided by 6 and I want to simplify it. So 54 is 6 times 9, so I can write it as root 9 times root 6. So root 9 is 3, so it's going to be 3 root 6 divided by 6. And then these two cancel out, 3 and 6. It's going to be just root 6 divided by 2. Next example is root 32 divided by 8. Answer is root 16 times root 2 divided by 8. Root 16 is 4, so we have 4 root 2 divided by 8. 4 and 8 cancel each other and it's going to be 2 here. So it's going to be root 2 divided by 2. Next example is root 75 divided by 15. Answer is root 75. I can write it as root 25 times root 3. Root 25 is 5, so 5 root 3 divided by 15. 5 and 15 cancel out and we will have 3 here, so it's going to be root 3 divided by 3. Next example is 6 minus root 24 divided by 12. Answer is 6. 24 is root 6 root 4 divided by 12. So we have 6 minus root 6 is root 6, root 4 is 2, so it's going to be 2 root 6 divided by 12. So then you cancel out, it's going to be 3 minus root 6 divided by 6. We divided everything by 2, so 6 becomes 3. Negative 2 root 6 is going to be just negative root 6 and 12 is going to be 6. Next example is 8 minus root 40 divided by 10. Answer is 8 minus 40 is 4 times root 10 divided by 10. So it's going to be 8 minus 2 root 10 divided by 10. And we can divide everything by 2. So it's going to be 4 minus root 10 divided by 5. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.